So in the last video, we have sorted a collection which has a collection of employees, and every employee we have two variable. One is EID and second is the name. So what we have done so far is we have sorted this array or sorted this collection with the help of this EIDs. Now this time what we'll do is instead of sorting with EIDs, let me sort with the names. Now, in order to sort with the names, what we can do is we can just go here and say, uh, uh, so instead of sorting with EID, we need to sort with, it is your E name. And whenever you work with E name, now E name is a string, right? So we cannot use this symbol less than. So what we'll do is we'll simply say E name, this dot E name. Now every string will have a method called as compare to. It will be compared with obj.ename. Okay, and we'll give a semicolon. And that's it. When you have this value ename, it will be compared. And if you run this now, so it will sort your collection in alphabetical order. So you can see it is Navin, Rashmi, and Sunil. Simple. So this is how we need to convert. We need to print this in alphabetical order of your names. But let's say, what if I need a reverse string? So I can simply multiply this number by -1. Now what this -1 will do is, if you are getting this output as 1, it will give -1. If your output is -1, it will give you 1. So let me try this. If I say run as application, you can see now we are getting it in reverse order. So you can achieve a string comparison with the help of compare to. But hold on, if I use compare to here, and if I give two names with the same thing, if I say uh, this is Navin, and the upper Navin is with small n. Now if you try to run this, if I say run as application, you can see, okay, we're printing in reverse order. Is it? Yeah. So you can see this Navin is coming up, then Rashmi. Why so? It's because whenever you use the small n, it is basically your when you talk about the small n, it will take the ASCII value, and the ASCII value of small n is more than the capital R and capital N, right? So what we can do in order to skip those, in order to skip the ASCII value, what we can do is we can just ignore the case. So there's one more method called as to ignore case. So it will ignore the case and it will sort this by ignoring case, and the output you will be getting is, you can see two Navins are with they're together. So this is how we need to sort a collection with the help of string.